Hi, greeting to Madam from me. Today we are going to present our topic, which is database management systems. And here are my group members. Johnson Lee Tongjian, me as the group leader, Owe Yongjingnen, Tang Bunxian, and Dang Hongling. And here are the examples of database management systems. So what is database management systems? Database management system, which we know as DBMS, is a collection of programs that manage the structure and controls the access to data. They also act as an intermediary between multi-users and database. In today's world, data play an important role, which in every single organization, such as schools, hospitals, and even businesses. Without DBMS, data cannot be stored completely and the information will be lost eventually. And here are the example of the DBMS, library management systems. Try to think about it. There are thousands of even more books, member, and sometimes transaction for borrowing books in the library. If everything is being recorded into a single file, that means that it will be difficult for the librarians to search for the actual data. But with DBMS, librarians are able to search for the actual books, check for the person who borrowed the books, and update whenever the books are returned. This will make the process even faster and more easier to manage. Now I will pass to my teammate Dang Hongling to talk about this point of view. Thank you.
Thank you, Jason. Hello, everyone. I'm Dang Hongling. Now, I will explain about the functionalities of DBMS. DBMS manages the data dictionary by defining structure of data, including data elements and their relationships in a data dictionary. It provides data abstraction, remove structural, and data dependency. Besides that, DBMS also will create and manage storage structures to store data. It will help to manage physical location of data to improve database performance. Moreover, DBMS will establish a security system that enforces user security and data privacy, with ensure that only authorized users can access or modify the data. Furthermore, DBMS provide data backup and recovery to ensure data safety and integrity in case of failure or data loss. Lastly, DBMS also provide the data integrity management. It will enforce data integrity rules to minimize redundancy and maximize consistency. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Owe Yongjian. For me, I will talk about the advantage and disadvantage of DBMS. The first advantage is DBMS can improve data security. This is because DBMS can control who can access and edit the data and also protect the sensitive data from unauthorized users. Next, DBMS also ensure data consistency and accuracy. This is because all the data is stored at a centralized storage, so everyone will see the same update and modification, and this can reduce many errors. Besides, users can access data quickly. For instance, in a clinic, the staff can easily get the patient information by searching their name in the system instead of looking for the record manually like before. So let's move on to the disadvantage of DBMS. The major disadvantage of DBMS is the high cost of software and hardware. This is because a company needs to purchase the expensive software license and also require a powerful hardware such as high performance server and large storage. Moreover, the next disadvantage is complexity of system implementation. For instance, a company needs to hire a database administrator to manage and install the DBMS because DBMS is not a simple software like CodeBlock. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Good day, madam. I'm Tang Bunxian. Now I'm going to explain 5 types of database that are well known from the past until today. First of all, RDBMS. It stores data in table and it used to connect one table to another using primary key and foreign key. It has a key field that indicates its role. For example, it uses MySQL to manage data. Next is hierarchical database. It stores data in a parent-children relationship and one-to-many relationship. It's structured like a tree and is mostly used in telecommunication industry and banking system. For the third type is network database. It's similar to hierarchical database, but it is more flexible. So the difference is it allows the records to have many relationship with multiple entities. It supports many-to-many relationship, and for example, IDMS and the turbo image. Furthermore, object-oriented database, it stores data as objects, and each object can host data and the actions that works with the data. It has support the faster development, easier code maintenance, and fewer errors. Last but not least, NoSQL database. The database can store semi-structured or unstructured data. It works well for expansion and the growth. It also supports to handle big data from the projects, for example, key value stores and column family stores. Thank you, that's all from me.
In conclusion, DBMS help organizations to manage, store, and secure data efficiently. It significantly increases the rate of data accuracy, security management, and others. Here are the link reference that can be seen in this link. Thank you.